It's quite sad and shocking to see young people who have found career success, who are talented, to depend on banned psychotropic substances, which are very dangerous, for a high. These individuals, who are the big names in Tollywood, Bollywood, Sandalwood, Collywood, they haven't found high in their career. They are finding high in a psychotropic substance and banned substances. That's a shame. And these individuals in no way can be youth icons for the youth of this nation. They cannot be role models for this nation. How can they be? Success isn't defined by the material possessions or career growth. It is defined by how you manage your reputation and how you find high in what you do. You don't need to look elsewhere. And these individuals have failed to protect the reputation of their real life in real life. And the gullible youth who follow them and who idealize them and who think that these people are demigods and what is cool about them is what they follow. And drug usage is not cool. Drug peddling is not cool. Drug addiction is not cool. It is going to destroy lives of your own and others. And this is what the youth have to learn. We wish to congratulate NCB for doing a great job in unearthing all these names, linking these names to the crimes being committed, and then if the trials in the courts lead to proving that these individuals have committed the crime, broken the law of the land, they should be put behind bars. They should be made examples. These are bad role models. They should be made examples for the youth to learn and know what not to do, what is not cool, and what is not happening. And these young achievers so far, now no more, have done something really bad, not to just themselves, but also to the millions of youth who are looking at them and who are idealizing them. It's a sad, sad story. And it's unfortunate that these individuals are still trying to fight it out and still trying to get somebody to support them online, in social media, and trying to twist the tale. All these individuals, if proven, have to go behind the bars, and an example has to be set in this nation that drugs is not our culture. Aping Western culture is going to get people to be in this position as what the top celebrities and Bollywood and Tollywood stars are today. Don't detest your own culture. Don't disrespect the Indian culture and fall for the Western culture and try to follow what Hollywood stars do. You end up in jail.